Greetings, gents. I'm Geofatboy for ShaveNation.com. Welcome to episode 9 of Geofatboy's Everyday Shave. Today's razor is the Merkur 37C Slant Bar Razor. You can see how that top cap and safety bar join together, how it skews downward. That will load the blade in a twisted or skewed fashion and make this a more aggressive shaving razor. This razor actually is almost exactly the same as the 34C, but as you can see, it has the twisted head, which makes it more aggressive. So let's check it out. Here's a look at the top cap, smooth polished chrome, and then it's got a tapered collar. It starts out thin and gets thicker toward the bottom, and then a smooth ring, a smooth collar around the top. Then it's got this cross hatching on the handle, the knurling, which makes it easy to grip. Then a smooth band that says Merkur Solingen down at the bottom here. And then vertical lines with a smooth band in between that kind of tapers in, it contours inward. And that enables you to grip it even better. At the bottom, there's a hole that will accept a pin stand, a stand that is circular and has a little pin. You can drop it right in like that. Let's disassemble. Two-piece razor. You spin the dial at the bottom, top cap comes off, safety bar stays on the razor. Let's load it up. We'll use a Merkur blade. That's the blade that comes with it. Here's what the package looks like, but it comes with one blade. Let's remove one from the pack, right there. Place that over the threaded rod and the two pins. Drop that right back down into the razor. Tighten it back down, lock it down tight. The reveal is even on both sides, but you can see how that blade twists. See how it twists from upward to downward, or vice versa, depending on which way you turn it. That almost imitates a J stroke when you're shaving and makes it more aggressive. So I'm going to perform a shave with this razor today. It'll be a quick shave. Got my bowl loaded up with some Colonel Conk, my Shave Nation bowl. I microwaved some soap in here a few weeks ago, so I'll just use this. Just gonna put some hot water right on top of the soap to bloom it a little bit. Just a little bit of hot water right on top like that. The brush I'll be using the Simpson's Trafalgar T2. Here's the T2, here's the T3. You can see how much larger the T3 is. The T1 would be about here, a little bit smaller. So those are the three brushes, synthetic, and these come from the Isle of Man. I'll use the T2, which is the middle size today. So let's soak that under the warm water, saturate those tips. Just let that sit for a second while I wet my face with some hot water. Face is good and warm. I'll take the brush, pour out that water that was blooming it. Just gonna wet the tips like so. Swirl that brush, just load those tips up. There you go. I'm gonna go right to the face and lather up. It's a little bit wet, a little bit sloppy. Maybe I had a little too much water left in the brush, but the lather comes out fine. Just give it a couple shakes, get rid of that water. Like I said, the synthetic brushes, they don't really hold on to that water the way Badger brushes do. But still, gives me a pretty good lather. And this is Colonel Conk Bay Rum shaving soap. It's got a nice scent to it. Figure 8, smooth everything out. Set the brush down. Swipe the lips. Swipe the neck. Clear the runways so we can see our sideburns. Pick up the razor, even with the wet fingers, loaded with a Merkur blade. By the way, the specs on this razor, the 37C, overall length from top to bottom is 3.25 inches or 83 millimeters, and the weight is 2.7 ounces or 76 grams. All right, here we go. We'll temper it under the hot water. Start on the right side, cut that sideburn. And this will be more aggressive. Just let the razor do the work. As you can see, I've got the 1.5 day everyday beard growth. No problem removing that. Down the neckline. Both sides full, rinse. Rinses out very easily. Left side. Flip it. Very good. Rinse that. Mustache, scoop it under the nose. Very good. One pass complete. Rinse the razor, rinse the face. Grab your brush and bowl. Relather. Just a light coating. Set that down. Clear the runways again. Here we go, across the grain this time. Picked up the wrong razor. I picked up the 34C with no blade in it. Here we go. Let's do that again. I was like, why isn't this thing cutting? What happened? Cleft. Against the grain on the neck. Very good. Across the mustache. Right under the nose with the tip, and then lay it flat. Clean off the lip. Very good, excellent. Rinse that. Very nice. Excellent shave. 2 passes. Slant bar. Let's get the cheeks. We'll just hit the cheeks real quick. Get them baby smooth. Skim the skin. Don't scrape like this, but skim. Just where it catches. Find that sweet spot. Right there. Other side. That really cleans up the cheeks. Baby smooth. All right, final rinse, hot water, then cold water. Cool off the face. Let's take our Shave Nation wide stick Allen block, remove the cap. Just glide that over all the areas you've shaved. Seal off any small nicks or weepers. Tighten the skin. Excellent finish to the shave. Recap it, set it off to the side. Let that soak in for about 30 seconds, then rinse it off. Cold water rinse. Pat the face dry. All right, let's go for some Parasso. This is the Balsamo Dopo Barbara Dure. This is the Sandalwood Balm. It's got a nice sandalwood scent to it. We're going bay rum followed up by sandalwood. Why not? Who says you can't do that? Massage that together, right in the skin. Oh, that smells good. Very nice. I had the obligatory 1 to 2 day beard growth required for the everyday shave, and the Slant Bar did a fine job of removing it. Excellent shaving razor, 2-piece design, very durable, nice cross hatching, knurling on the handle, easy to grip. If you want something longer, if you feel this is a little bit too short, you'd want to go with the Merkur 39C Sledgehammer. That would be more of a barber pole style, a little bit thicker, substantial. If you have bigger hands, that's what you want to go with, 39C. But this razor, great for every day, every other day. This will do just about anything you want. On the scale of 1 to 10, Geofatboy's aggression scale, I'm going to give this razor a 6 to 7. So it's a pretty aggressive shaving razor. And again, a step up from your 34C. And the Slant Bar, as you saw, removed my 1 to 2 day beard growth, no problem whatsoever. And the Merkur blade performed very well. The Trafalgar brush, excellent. Shave Nation bowl, Colonel Cox soap, all good. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, share my videos with your friends. There's about 470 of them now, shaving and more. Thank you very much for watching. Visit shavenation.com for all your shaving supplies. I'm Geofatboy. Have a great shave. Have a great day. Uh-oh, looks like I have a 4 o'clock shadow. Gotta go to shavenation.com. Have a great shave. Have a great day.